Hello people, I know how you can manage groups because I created separate groups. One group for multiple objects. We have a couple of windows, separate windows. We got a current path. We need a scene root because if you have scene root, you will be able to see groups in Explorer. In this current path, you see selected objects but not groups. When you use option Explore, you can manage groups. For example, if I select polygon and I want to explore groups, I select the bench, this, and automatically I have selected all objects which relate to the bench. If you want to add this object to the group, you can drag by left mouse button. Like that. This will be now connected. If you click this, now this object belongs to that group. But if you want to get rid of group, you can remove unnecessary groups like that. For some cases, they cause operating system viewport to work slower. Oh, I cannot remove everything at the same time. But you can manage easily groups. I hope you like my video tutorial. For beans, you can hit that button and this will create a new group. I can't trash or bean. I will call this bean. And you use option show members. Host. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial and I have to go to eat the dinner and I will come back to you later on.